Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'd like to show you our Nora 1000 pocket sprung model, part of our quilted range. This is handmade in our workshops and sold directly to the public, therefore making up to a 60% saving compared to other similar models in the market. This medium feel 10-inch deep mattress has 1000 of our unique curvation individual pocket springs that will eliminate any roll together as they work independently from each other. These springs give excellent spinal support, as well as allowing for hips and shoulders to be supported, maintaining a comfortable luxury feel. We layer hypoallergenic fillings on the springs, giving a deep, cozy medium feel comfort. The quilted mattress surface gives a softer top that's really nice to snuggle into after a hard day's work. The mattress cover is made from our exclusive softer than silk knitted fabric, which is exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure that you awake from your deep slumber fully refreshed. Mattress borders are side-stitched to give strength to the edge of the mattress and are fitted with flag-stitch turning handles and air vents, keeping the mattress interior clean and fresh.